Hey everybody, time for a Jeep update. I know it's been a while. I haven't really had anything that I've been able to install on the Jeep lately, but I just got something. I got this awesome Jurassic rated badge. So, I'm gonna go into the garage and try to remove the old trail rated badge and hopefully I can get this on. So, trail rated badge, you're going down. I got my floss ready after watching Chris Meecham's tutorial, and I've got my hair dryer and I've warmed it up, and let's see if we can get this off. Oops, my dental floss ripped or got glued in. So let's see if we can. It's not too hot. It is too hot to touch. Luckily, I still have this wet towel from having washed the Jeep this morning. So let's see if we can just gently... Wow, I can feel the heat through the wet fabric. Gently pull it off. Okay, twist it a bit. I don't want to hurt the paint. Wow, it's really hot.
20 minutes later.
Alright, it's off now. I just gotta find a way to get that cleaned off. And it's off. Oh, that took a long time. Way too long. So I'm quite happy with how the Jeep's coming along. Love how the badge turned out, all nice and blue. And the whole turquoise aqua theme is coming along great. The Jeep's looking so nice. Here on the back passenger window, we've got a really cool T-Rex decal. I love how this is looking, how it turned out. And on the back driver's side, we've got a velociraptor. I'm quite happy with these, so I've got the whole both Jurassic theme and Fear theme going quite nicely.